This Paramount Homes real estate company property video is presented by Mary Ruffin. A great opportunity awaits. Get into the much sought after Wilderness Cove neighborhood for under $250,000. This exceptional, immaculate home offers a split floor plan with breathtaking vaulted ceilings, gorgeous gas fireplace, spacious kitchen with granite countertops throughout, an abundance of cabinets and lots of counter space, ceramic tile entryway and in kitchen and baths, luxury laminate planked flooring and living and formal dining areas. 3 spacious bedrooms with master suite that includes jetted spa tub and standalone shower. Favorable color palette throughout boasts warmth and comfort. Amazing fully fenced backyard with large covered back patio, great for entertaining family and friends. Bonus: matching brick constructed storage building that could also serve as a workshop. A very special home waiting for its special new owner. For more